It is hard to choose because I think I contributed to various aspects of algebraic geometry. Now, because the prize emphasizes the relationship between algebraic geometry and symplectic geometry, maybe I will mention first my construction of compact Kähler manifolds, which do not have the topology of projective complex manifolds, because that work sits between algebraic geometry and compact Kähler geometry, which is the compact Kähler geometry is exactly the geometry which sits between complex projective geometry, that is algebraic geometry, and symplectic geometry. So, of course, there are other aspects of my work that are much more inside algebraic geometry, like my work on rationality questions, and my work on smoothability of cycles, recent work with Collar. But maybe let's just mention this one. First of all, I have to mention that the first bridge between algebraic geometry and symplectic geometry, as I mentioned, this bridge is very natural. It is due to the fact that complex projective varieties are Kähler, and because they are Kähler, they are symplectic. But this bridge has been emphasized and systematically explored first by Gromov. As I mentioned, my work in compact Kähler geometry is a contribution to this to the study of the relationship between these two geometries. But also there is a whole set of questions that I studied myself, but which has been also studied by Deza-McDuff or Yongbin Ruan and collaborators, and also János Kollár, which ask which properties of a complex projective varieties are of a symplectic nature, that is, depends only of it as a symplectic manifold. And for example, I worked on the question whether rational connectivity is a symplectic property, a question that is still open, and which I worked in dimension 3. And I also worked a little on mirror symmetry, that is a marvelous set of conjectures relating the two geometries. But that was a very long time ago, and my contribution was maybe not very major in that domain. It's a hard question because, of course, my work is not at all in applied mathematics, so there are no direct applications. Still, I mean, what you do in your field, in following your own interest, it has an impact on people around you, and then it has always unexpected applications that you cannot predict. People use your work in one way or another one. It's hard to explain how it works. But certainly the mathematics is a whole, and what you do may have some more influence than just your small world. But there is another aspect that I consider as very important, the fact that for me mathematics is important not only through applications to other sciences, but for itself as part of our civilization, because mathematics defend a certain way of thinking, the rigor, the fact that for us a statement is not a true statement if it is not proved. I mean, it's of course as a sort of a definition of the mathematical thinking. So I find this, we defend that it is very important to prove a statement, and in itself I find it important. And the last point I consider also as very important is that our work needs a lot of concentration and learning the discipline that gives you this concentration. It is for me something that is I mean we can communicate to the society the fact that we need concentration to work, and that is essential to our work. And concentration, it's like meditation. It's a way of being. It's something that you need to learn as a practice.